Hello everyone, welcome to our second lesson. Today we will talk about rounding. Before starting rounding, let us investigate some mathematical terms related to this topic. The first term is estimation. What does it mean, estimation? Sometimes we say estimate. Suppose that we have a box and there are some items here. We don't know exact number of these items. So what can we do? We can estimate the number. Estimate when we don't know the exact number. So we can say that approximately there are 10 dots. Approximately there are 10 dots. When we count exactly, we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it is exactly 10. It can be something around 10. So we estimated the number of dots in the box. So estimate it should be near to real number. Like we cannot estimate and say that there are 1,000 dots or there are 500 dots or even there are 50 dots. Approximately we can estimate between 5, 10 or maybe 15. Okay, now let us see what is rounding. Rounding when you have exact number and you want to round it nearest tens, hundreds, thousands or more. Let us see. For example, we have 7. We want to round 7. How can we round 7? 7 is ones itself. There is one digit. It is one digit number. It is ones place. And if we have ones place, we cannot round it to nearest ones. We can round it to nearest tens. Let's round 7 to the nearest tens. Okay, so I will draw a number line and I know that 7 is between 0 and 10. The number halfway between is 5. Halfway between. Halfway between, it means directly in the middle. Okay, where is 7? Here on a number line, we see two intervals. One of our intervals is 0 to 5 and another interval is 5 to 10. And we know that 7 somewhere here. Okay, so we see the distance from 7 to 10 and the distance from 7 to 0. Let us see which distance is shorter. Okay, the distance from 7 to 10 is shorter. So 7 is closer to 10. 7 is nearer to 10 than 0. So the nearest tens number to 7 is 10. We can write that 7 rounded to 10. It is approximately 10. 10 is not exact number. 7 exact number. 10 is approximate number. Okay. Okay, let us continue. Now I will write two-digit number. 43. This is two-digit number. There are two places here, ones and tens. Now we will round this number to the nearest tens. Okay, let us find two 10 number that 43 between. This is 40 and 50. The number that is halfway between is 45. Now we have two intervals. Where is 43? Yeah, it is from first interval. It is here. So the distance from 43 to 40 and the distance from 43 to 50. Which distance is shorter? Yes, the distance from 43 to 40 is shorter. So 43 is nearer to 40 than to 50. So when we round 43 to nearest tens, answer is 40. Now, let us investigate three-digit number and again round it to nearest tens. 762. Okay. Again, we want to round this number to the nearest tens. First of all, we have to find out the tens place. As we see, there are three digits, three bullet places, so 6 is on tens place. So we have 60 something. Okay, now when we draw a line, we look at tens part, it is 60 something. 62 is between 60 and 70. But let us not forget about 700. So 762 is between 760 and 770. And again, a number halfway between is 765. From which interval is 762? Yes, it is from the first interval. So again, let us see the distance from 760 and the distance from 770. Again, as we see, this distance is shorter. So when we round 762 to the nearest tens, the answer is 760. Okay, now we will investigate some other details. I will write four-digit number now. 3,654. 3,654. Okay, first we will round this number to the nearest tens. Okay, when we round this number to the nearest tens, we have to find out tens place. On tens place, we have 5. So the value of 5 is 50. So 54 is between 50 and 60. I will write it here. It is 3,650 and 3,660. So the number halfway between is 3,655. Okay, we have 54. We can easily see that our number is from the first interval. So when we see the distance, we can easily understand that 3,654 is near to 3,650. Okay, now let us round it nearest hundreds. So When we round it to nearest hundreds, we have to find out hundreds place, and we see that 6 is on hundreds place, so the value of 6 is 600. And we know that 600 something is between 600 and 700. So let us draw a number line and show 3,600, 3,700. The number halfway between is 3,650. Okay, here we have 3,654. Easily we can see that 3,654 is from the second interval. So here we see the distances. We can easily understand that 3,654 is near to 3,700. Okay, and last, let us round our number to nearest thousands. And now we have to find thousands place. Okay, the first place here is thousands place. 3 is on thousands place. So the value of 3 is 3,000. 3,000 something is between 3,000 and 4,000. Let us write it. 3,000 and 4,000. The number halfway between is 3,500. Our answer, our number is 3,654. Okay, it is from second interval again, 3,654. And when we look at distances, again, easily we can see that 3,654 is near to 4,000. Okay, from all these examples, we can come to some conclusions. So, we can have round and we can have round up. What does mean round and what does mean round up? When we see the numbers that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, what happens with our rounded number? Nothing. For example, if we have 72 and we want to round it to nearest tens, it is just 70. Nothing happened with 7. But if we have numbers that 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round up happened. Like if we have 76, so 7 will go up and it will be 80. This style of questions we can investigate on a hill. Let us see, what does it mean? Okay, I want to round again 72 to nearest tens. I know that 72 is between 70 and 80. And on the top, I have 75. Where is 72? This is here. What do you think? Will it come to 80 or go back to 70? Of course, it's much more easy to go to 70. So 72 is approximately 70. Okay, so today we learn how to estimate, how to find approximate answer, and we learn how to round. And what does it mean, round up? Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can text, and it's my pleasure to answer and clarify all the moments that you would like to ask. See you